morning, children. This is Jyotiyar. I am here to teach you English grammar on behalf of Jayatri Academy, class 3rd, chapter 3, collective and possessive noun. Children, yesterday we solved this exercise and today we will solve the next exercise that I gave you in the homework. Let's start. Choose the correct noun from the banner and match with the collective noun. Children, you have to find out the correct noun and then you have to match it with the collective nouns. First is a fleet of. Children, a fleet of. We will match it to the ships. Children, when we talk about many ships, we call it a fleet of. Fleet. Okay, so we will match it to the ships, a fleet of ships. Next is a flock of. Children, flock belongs to the sheep. When we talk about one sheep, we call it this is a sheep, and when we talk about many sheep, we call it flock. So a flock of, we will match it to the sheep. Next, a galaxy of. When we talk about a star, we call it this is a star, and when we talk about many stars, we call it a galaxy. So we match a galaxy of to the stars. Next is a troop of. Children, a troop of, we will match it to the monkeys. When we talk about many monkeys, we call it troop. We will match a troop of to the monkeys. Next is a flight of. We will match it to the stairs. A flight of stairs. Okay, next is a herd of. Children, a group of elephants, a collection of elephants. When we talk about many elephants, we call it herd. So we will match a herd of to the elephant. Next is a pride of. Many lions called pride. When we talk about many lions, we call it pride. So a pride of, we will match it to the lions. Pride is a collective noun and lions is a noun. Next is a chest of. We will match it to the drawers. A chest of drawers. Next is a sheaf of. Children, when we talk about one paper, we call it this is a paper, and when we talk about many papers, we call it a sheaf of papers. Next is a crew of. Children, a crew of, we will match it to the sailors. When we talk about many sailors, we call it a crew. So we will match a crew of to the sailor. Next is word that tell us about the belongings or possession of a noun are called possessive noun. Children, word that tell us about belonging or possession means right. In Hindi we call it adhikar. Word that tell us about possession, belongings or right of a noun called possessive noun. They are written by adding an apostrophe and an s to the noun. Singular possessive noun tell us about the possessions of one noun like The boy's cap, Nikita's book. Children, we indicate possession by apostrophe s. For example, boy's cap, Nikita's book. Boy apostrophe s cap. Boy's cap means this cap belongs to the boy. So it shows the possession of that boy on this cap. So we called it boy's cap. This cap belongs to the boy. The boy have possession on this cap. Okay. So apostrophe s indicate the possession or belonging. Next example, Nikita's book. Nikita apostrophe s and book. Apostrophe s indicate the belonging or possession or right on that book. Means this book belong to the Nikita and Nikita have possession on this book. Nikita's book means apostrophe s indicate the possession on this book. These are the example of possessive noun. This is mother's nail polish. In the picture you are seeing a nail polish. This is mother's nail polish. And next is this Samir's lunch box? Apostrophe s indicate the possession. Mother's nail polish means this nail polish belong to the mother. And Samir's lunch box means this lunch box belong to the Samir. So apostrophe s indicate the possession or belonging. Okay, this is all about today, and tomorrow we will solve next exercise. Thank you.